Hello, my name is Brad Altman, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video will have some good information on it to help build your website stronger and bring more clients in, which means more revenue. You guys are a tough uh, person to find a competition to. So I just went with plumbing and heating, and I'll show you what I'm saying here shortly because you guys do a variety of things from what I can see. Um, like right here. So you guys do a whole lot of different things, and it's hard to find a company out there that does plumbing and heating and petroleum and things along that line. So what I did is I went with this. I typed in plumbing, heating, and convenience stores, Dubuque, Iowa, and it brought up this area. And this is how I found somebody comparable, I guess, to what you guys do out there in the plumbing and heating industry, anyhow. So right here you can see you have your HVAC, but I went with Service One and found their information. And like I said, they do pretty much just heating and cooling, but it's the best one and close one I can come up with you. So I'm going to start getting right into this, and I'm going to start talking about word count. Word count is the amount of words that you guys have on your website. By the way, you guys have a really nice website here, nicely designed out, shows where you guys are located, and what your different services are. And with word count in mind, what I'm going to do is copy and paste your URL, and I'm going to put it over here into this tool called word count. Word count is a free tool that you guys can get off the internet. There's several different ones out there, but this is the one I use. So it looks like you guys have 319 words on your web page. So I'm going to come over here to your competition, so called. They still do plumbing and heating. And I'm going to copy and paste their URL just like I did yours. Put it in word count. I'm going to back up. You guys still have 319? Looks like they have the same. It usually don't come up that way. I'm going to retry it just to make sure. Yeah, you guys both have 319. So anyhow, like I said, this is your competition. They also have a pretty nice page out there as well. Next, I'm going to talk about keywords. Keywords are anything that you type into a search bar. For your company, I put plumbing, heating, and convenience stores, which brought up, like I said, this down here. And you can see you guys are ranked second on this area that's referred to as Map It. Okay. And again, you can see this is where I found your competition that's in the number one spot. If I scroll down here, this is called the organic area. And what I'm trying to do is find their service one right here. And here you guys are right underneath of them. Okay. Here you are. You're in here twice, actually, three times. So to bring in more revenue and more clients to your website, your goal should be to be right here and right here. So by going and adding more words to your web page, remember you had 319 and more keywords, okay? And again, keywords are anything that you type into a search bar and it brings you up into this area from your website. So you guys have 58 organic keywords, which brings you in, as you can see, an estimate of targets monthly organic search traffic of $3 per month. Okay. So by adding more words and more organic words to your web page, this is going to change. As you can see here, these guys have 60 organic words. You guys, and they're bringing in 6.6 thousand per month from their web page by having good organic keywords in there. So that's something that you can work on. Like the information I'm going to send to you is free for you guys to use yourself. Um, so you can work on these things on your own web page. Like I said, the keywords make a big difference in how much income extra you have coming in from just your website. Uh, Next, I'm going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlinked text. I know that sounds complicated, but basically all that is a popularity contest where one person, where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your web page wins. Another way of saying it is these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And that's how these guys got into the number one spot here. And the organic words are how they are outranking you here on the map hits. So you guys have 340 backlinks. So I'm going to just click on that. And you'll see who is vouching for you guys out there. So here's Dubuque Plumbers, okay? Is bringing in 90. Molo, from just your own word, Dubuque, Iowa. Molo. Contractors 43. Big 10 Marts is bringing you guys quite a few in. 59 Dubuque Community Partnership Program. So you can see some aren't as strong as others. So it does make a difference to Google on who's referring to you guys. With that in mind, I'm going to go over here to your competitor. As you can see, they have 9.3 thousand backlinks. And that's why they're number one in Mapit. And it's not bringing it up for me. Making me wait. So that's what's bringing them up in the number one area on Mapit. And their keywords is what's bringing them in this type of money. So you guys can easily do this as well. Bring in a lot of income from your company, for your company. I'm going to go back over to you guys here quick again. My computer's a little slow today. All right, here we go. So again, 9.3 thousand backlinks. Those are people referring back to them, like I told you. And again, that's what's going to get you ranked number one in the Mapit area. So I'm going to kind of close out while we're waiting for this to pop up here. So from what I've seen here and the information I'm giving you, if you guys add more words to your web page and more keywords to your web page, and even these backlinks can be added to your web page, okay? It's because they have so many. Here we go. Omaha 27. Like I said, some of these you can see it doesn't matter too much. And where this all comes from is Google. They have little bots that are constantly going over web pages, and they find this information, and that's where this all comes from. So you can see different companies that are vouching for them. It's just because they have so many that these little ones are helping. But again, on your guys's, you don't have as many either. So you can easily add more backlinks to your web page, more keywords, and more words to your web page. With this in mind, I thank you for your time, and you have yourself a great day, and I hope this information was